So David, you're one of the co-founders of Kitchens You Build.
Yes, I am, with my sister. We founded 20 odd years ago, yep.
Wonderful. And we've just had a conference with all your franchisees. I mean, how satisfying was that for you?
Very. It was great to see them walk out positive with a jump in their step and ready to go.
Ready to go. And what were some of the things that, some of your highlights of the conference over the last 2 days?
One, they enjoyed it. The group discussions were brilliant. They all got involved and they enjoyed it. It was a good way to learn.
It was a good learning exercise, wasn't it? And we did some team building as well, which I think is important.
Yes, and they enjoyed it. You could see all different people that don't usually talk to each other because of distance, not because they don't, but they really enjoyed it and they discussed things and worked things together.
Yeah, and it must be satisfying, 20 years in the business of kitchens, one of the largest kitchen manufacturing companies in Australia, is that correct?
Yes, custom, yes.
Custom kitchens, yeah.
And it's taken us on, it's been a hard road to get here, ups and downs everywhere, but we're on the right track now.
Wonderful, wonderful. And based on us helping you, key business advisors, and myself and Richard and Gina, would you endorse us to any other franchise out there to run a conference and help support your business?
Very much so. I would personally, and I know the people that were here would also endorse you. I had comments in passing as they walked out saying it was the best conference ever, and I can't say much more than that.
And that's a good to great moment for us, so thank you.
No worries at all, and thank you.